This is such a nice greeting upon getting home today. I've been out of town teaching painting, and literally the surprise lilies surprised me. Aren't they pretty? Sometimes you just get lucky, and we're fixing to have a severe thunderstorm, so I thought I would take these for you. And that is a surprise lily. And for those of you who haven't experienced them, the greenery comes up in the springtime, and so it bushes out from the ground and then dies away, and literally these beautiful blossoms surprise you at some point in the future. So this is just after the 4th of July, and here we have these wonderful pink flowers. So hope you've had a wonderful day. Mine has been really nice. The artist did great things. Always a treat to see people flourishing in doing something that they love. There's the thunder. See you soon.